Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab P12 Pro, and today I will show you how we can boot this tablet into Bootloader. So to get started, obviously you want to hold power key and select power off. From here, once the tablet is off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Lenovo logo, let go of the keys and this will now boot us into the bootloader. Now in here, using volume keys, you can scroll through the options that are accessible right here. As you can see, we can restart bootloader, which does nothing. We can boot to FFBM. We can start, which takes us back to Android. Power off the device, enter recovery mode, restart bootloader, and yeah, that's about it. So anyway, that's all the options right here. And once you done with this mode, or maybe you want to leave it, you see select start, power key to confirm it, and it takes us back to Android now. And as you can see, we are now in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.